dull my damn blade either. How many times have you ever seen something like this? Probably never. I'm about to go viral, Mom. Yes, it is my mom's toe. I think my blade's going dull, Mom. It's a damn hacksaw. It's supposed to cut through metal. Damn big toenail.
All right, working. All of a sudden it falls off.
Does it hurt?
No.
All right, I'm just making sure. I don't want to hurt you. You're joking and laughing and stuff, but this is serious. I was up here last time I done them.
Yeah.
I didn't do this last time. I should. This is.
You did them last time.
Well, let's worry about your toe. I don't want to hurt your toe. You might be ugly as hell, but it's still my mom's foot. I ain't saying I'm going to go around sucking on her or anything like that, but I'm telling you, it might be ugly, but it's still my mom's toe. Now we're 3 minutes into this damn thing. We're doing good progress, though. Sure brought my damn plasma cutter down here. Angle grinder or something. No, I got it. I got like just like 1/8 of an inch on both sides. I'm gonna try not to shake it too much because the only one where I can't see it hitting the skin. It'd be kind of funny, but I actually think this damn thing's going dull on me. Don't be a toe, Mom.
I can't help it.
Is it hurting?
No.
Okay, I just want to make sure. That's all I'm worried about, hurting. I ain't worried about nothing else. Got a pair of clippers or anything like that?
Toenail clippers.
Yeah. I got them damn pliers over there and them bolt and the padlock cutter and bolt cutters. I was just joking about that. I might need to use them. It's like I don't even want to cut no more on that side. There we go. I think you doled my side off, Mom. I'm not joking.
I doled it?
Yeah. Something happened. It didn't want to cut no more. Yeah, when I went to the house, I've had those ones that I chopped up and made little things to make a circle out of.
Yeah.
I thought about bringing one back down here.
Use this clippers.
Hold on, I still got to use this thing.
I used that grinder last night on it.
That's good. You feel anything?
Yeah.
Did you feel it?
I can feel it now.
Okay, cause I can see the. Okay. Scalpel. Forceps. Am I hurting you?
No,
Sure.
yeah, I can't squeeze that.
I can't either. They got a good little piece of wire. And they're right there though. I can't tell if I'm cutting toe or callus. A little scary.
What you got that big jigsaw for?
Huh?
I'm sitting on the bed.
The what?
That big one.
The big one?
The big hacksaw.
That's the one I had that was holding the blade, Mom.
Oh.
There. Well, let me cut it. I got my wrong glasses on. Anyways. Can't see what I'm not supposed to be doing. And your toenails, your freaking things don't cut. They suck. I had to whip mine out. I didn't want to get no goo on them, but I had to whip mine out. Mine be jingling. I got keys and all of them. Should whip mine out first. Anyways.
A cloth.
Light bulbs.
Oh, he's gonna make out of a light bulb.
They get you? Mom?
Just the pressure.
Oh, okay, because I ain't even, I was just trying to get the damn blade on there.
Let me move
No, you can't move nothing. Just sit back and let me tear your toe up.
enjoy it.
Did that hurt?
No. I heard a click.
Yeah, that's a big piece. I'm gonna put this in the damn fossil record. Like a damn dinosaur. Golly, Mom. You know what these are made of?
Protein.
Keratin.
What's keratin?
Same shit your hair is made out of.
That's why my hair was getting so long.
No, it's gonna undo it. It's just that's just what it's made of.